What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to Meme Coin Daily. This is where you find some of the hottest micro cap plays in the crypto space. My name is Joven, and I got a great project, very special project that is talked about all over the crypto space in this video. But before we get into the video, I just gotta let you guys know I am not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before you invest in any project in the crypto space, because it is very risky and it is very volatile. Never invest more than you're willing to lose. Now I have my channel pulled up on screen, Meme Coin Daily, 572 subscribers, around 28 more subscribers than 600, and we are on our way to 1,000 subscribers. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, especially if you hold the project that we're talking about in this video. Let's head right over to CoinMarketCap. Bitcoin is at $16,932, Ethereum at $1,274. This would be a much more bullish space right now because inflation is starting to decline a tad bit. You know what I'm saying? The stock market is very bullish right now, and it's really affecting altcoins, especially the project we're talking about in this video, Tectonic. Tectonic is highly talked about in the crypto space. 29,000 people has it on their watch list, which is pretty good. I'm gonna keep an eye out on the project, and I'll explain why. TONIC is sitting at a $12.38 million market cap right now, so the upside potential for this project is huge. You know what I'm saying? A little bit more risky on the riskier side because of the lower market cap, but high risk, high reward. Never invest more than you're willing to lose, guys. But a 10x, maybe even a 100x, $1.2 billion, $1.3 billion in market cap could be very possible in a bull market, guys. Trade volume is 262k, down 73% on the 24-hour because of what's happening in the broader market. Bitcoin and Tectonic would be on a run right now, but because of the situation with Sam Bankman-Fried, everything is taking a beating. Now, what's really bullish about this project is that it's on the Kronos blockchain, meaning it's a part of crypto.com, and it's on VVS Finance. That's where you could use their crypto.com's decentralized exchange. Crypto.com, one of the tier 1 exchanges, has survived the bear market thus far, and I really believe they'll continue to build, continue to grow, and adoption will continue to happen for crypto.com, guys. And when this adoption continues to happen, I feel projects that are early on the crypto.com blockchain will grow as well. You know what I'm saying? Mass adoption for crypto.com, the Kronos chain, means projects will continue to grow as long as they keep developing, don't focus on price, and keep pushing forward into the next bull cycle. Now let's check out the website of TONIC. Tectonic, a tectonic shift in lending and borrowing. So the name is a play on words to the earth and earth's surface and the tectonic plates and how they shift. You know what I'm saying? So they're creating a shift in the DeFi space. DeFi will never die. To me, honestly, the big players, the highly liquid players in the space, or who will come into the space, will love DeFi a lot. You know what I'm saying? A lot of projects have come and gone because of the bear market, but projects that survive during this bear market, keep building into the next bull cycle, will thrive, especially DeFi projects. Tectonic is a cross-chain money market for earning passive yield and assessing instant-backed loans, okay? And they have the app you could enter right here. Let's check the app out real quick, guys. So now we have the app pulled up. Pretty nice UI, and we have different tabs for you to check out. $134 million have been borrowed, and they have different yields you could get as well. 0.94%, DAI 2.6, USDT 2.7, 2.6, 3%. So nothing too crazy. 11% for their governance token, TONIC governance token, but nothing too crazy. A lot of the other DeFi projects fails because they offered super high yields. You know what I'm saying? And there's no way they would have been able to sustain that, especially in a bear market. Maybe in a bull market they'd have been able to get by, but I see why TONIC has, you know, pretty decent yields. They also have an analytics tab, which is pretty nice to see the full breakdown of how the project is being adopted. 40% utilization, which is pretty good. We have charts, we have a table form as well. Okay, this is pretty nice to see, guys. You know what I'm saying? You could see how the total borrow repaying is being done, the withdrawal and of the total supply, Then you could go through and see the markets, and they have pie charts right here to see suppliers and borrowers by the market. Great UI, great breakdown of everything and different activities that happened recently in the past few minutes as well. Now let's go back to the official website. Generate passive yield on your assets. Crypto assets deposited into Tectonic earn attractive APYs based on dynamic rate according to market demands. And like I said before, guys, after going through their app, the yields on Tectonic aren't anything super high, super inflated that could lead to the downfall of the project. You know what I'm saying? Instant liquidity at your fingertips. Get an instant loan to unlock liquidity, idle crypto assets into Tectonic. You can start borrowing right away, which is pretty great. You know what I'm saying? Audited smart contracts, safety is very important. Insurance fund coming soon. Insurance on your crypto. Is there any successful insurance companies in the crypto spaces yet? I don't think so. So this could be a game changer. 10% on interest paid by borrowers goes to an insurance fund, using that in the event that uncollateralized loans are not properly liquidated. This could be a game changer right here, and it's coming soon. So this is a great development for the crypto space as well. This could lead to mass adoption for TONIC. Open source. Interoperability and open source are among the founding principles of DeFi, which Tectonic is proudly committed to. So everything is open source for you to take a look at. This is what DeFi, decentralized finance, is all about. Anyone that wants to dive deep behind the project of TONIC could do so, because it is all open source and accessible and public for anyone to check out. The behind the scenes of TONIC, which is a great thing to see. You know what I'm saying? A lot of players in the space, from what we're seeing from the bear market, have a lot of dirt behind the scenes in their code and are getting exposed by this bear market. TONIC being open source is very bullish stuff, guys. They have a frequently asked questions section, and you could join the community here, powered by Chronos, which is very bullish. I really do believe crypto.com Chronos chain will be mass adopted by brand new retail investors once the smoke clears and we start getting out of this bear market. But we're in a really rough patch right now, guys. You know what I'm saying? It's very brutal, but projects that keep building, keep delivering, and projects like TONIC that are on Chronos chain, once they keep pushing forward, and don't focus on price, just keep pushing forward, can do very well in the future once they deliver on their utility. Headed over to Dex Tools just to see a better breakdown of the TONIC chart. We see it launched around last year, and it has been on a retrace correction since, guys. Now it's the timing. They launched at the end of Bitcoin's last run to 69k. That's around the same time they launched, and then we've seen what happened. We've been on a steady decline since in the broader market. Now we have been in some great sideways accumulation. Let me go to the 1 hour real quick for you guys to see. TONIC was on a bit of a move back up to the upside around last month on the 27th, but then it came back down again because of, like I said, what happened in the broader market. Now a $12.6 million market cap, still a great entry for a project like this. A 10 to 100x could be very possible. This is a nice time to accumulate. We may go lower. People are calling for a 14k Bitcoin, and you know how that would affect altcoins as well, so we could go lower. So if you were planning the DCA into this project, hey, now would be a good time to start, because you are literally up only how much from the lows? Only up 13% from the lows at TONIC's current price, guys. Also decided to take a look at TONIC on DeFi Llama because it is a lending and borrowing platform, and I see it has $201 million in TVL, total value locked on the Chronos blockchain, guys. That is very bullish, because you could compare this to a lot of the bigger projects in the space, and it's not that badly off. It's only sitting at $12 million in market cap with 201 million in TVL. That is bullish. These are things you have to look out for. DeFi Llama is a great place to look at for projects. See their TVL. Is their TVL stable? Does it have a high TVL? Is it increasing? We see in April The TVL for TONIC started to go crazy. This was April this year. Whenever the time comes where the dust clears in the market and we start being bullish again and that TVL starts increasing, 550 mil in TVL in April this year, right? Imagine when it gets to $1 billion in TVL, how far the project of TONIC could be adopted. Last thing we're going to check out is the official Twitter of TONIC, the cross-chain money market on Cronos chain. 54.3k followers. Very good stuff. Very nice to see. I had a tweet recently, 14 hours ago. Join this raffle now to get allow list into Cronos identity, rename domain. So Cronos is building out their ENS type developments, ENS names, Cronos ID names on the Cronos blockchain, and then you could use TONIC to get in a raffle to be early to the domain names. 101 likes, 25 retweets. This is great stuff, man. I could only imagine how far the Cronos blockchain, the Cronos ecosystem will grow, especially now that we see one of the big blockchains in the space that was backed by SBF. I'm not throwing shots at anyone, but without SBF backing that project, where could it go? But for right now, this is when you accumulate if you're bullish on a project like this, guys. Had another tweet on the 1st of November. Thank you for your support over the past quarters. As we look towards 2023, here's an update on what we've been working on and what we're planning for you guys over the medium term. Tectonic roadmap update. So they have a roadmap update. This means they are still building through the bear market, and that's what you love to see. Here's an image. Isolated lending pools, issuing partnership tokens, auto vault emissions, ambassador program, NFT staking, and notification services. This is going into Q1 of 2023, and have more details of every goal they have in store for the future roadmap. Guys, this is what you like to see for projects, especially in this market that we're in now. Another tweet from the official TONIC Twitter, 311 likes, 100 retweets. Hey fam, we've made some UI changes. TONIC and vaults can now be found under our new consolidated earn page. So you see, this is what I was talking about when I said I like the UI. So they recently made it a lot more simpler for you to interact with the app that they built, and that is great stuff, guys. Now we're gonna go through some of the retail investor tweets, see what people think about TONIC. We have a tweet from the Crazy Train 30, TONIC volume increasing, gather up all you can, let's break through that 1900 resistance, then we need to turn to support. Let's go Team TONIC. 21 likes, 5 retweets. TONIC definitely has a very active community in the space as well, and as new retail comes to the space, you guys could definitely encourage them to become a part of the TONIC community. Another tweet from F Bargain, I had to take advantage of the dip and APY % on staking TONIC, and we have his TONIC staked and a purchase of 1.3 billion TONIC. A tweet from Union Gal, TONIC bought some more, just staking it away for a rainy day, and she purchased some TONIC as well. So I'm seeing that a lot of people are getting their TONIC, purchasing their TONIC, staking it, just being patient, holding, diamond handing for the future mass adoption of the project. Love to see, guys. And another tweet from Self-Made Decal, replying to TONIC's tweet, your favorite crypto assets, go TONIC, because even in a bear market I'm making money in my sleep. Passive income with them staking rewards, lending and borrowing service as well, guys. I've been in crypto for a few years, but this is the first project that I've been a part of since day zero. And diamond hand holders, long-term holders as well. CRO fam. Now I have looked into the project for a few days before I've made this video, and from what I've seen from my research, guys, this project is very bullish and could definitely have a great future ahead of it because of the team and the community that is involved with the project. Use cases here, DeFi project, big players love DeFi. It's just that the market conditions that we're in A lot of people are in cash right now, waiting on the sidelines for a crypto market bottom, and then that's when you see a ton of people get back into the space. But projects like this being developed on the Kronos chain, one of the first early projects that could yield some nice ROI in the future. If you hold TONIC, let me know your thoughts of the project down in the comment section, and if this is your first time hearing about the project, let me know what you think. Let's have a discussion in the comment section. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell if you enjoyed the video, and let me know what project I should check out next, guys. Everything TONIC and myself will be in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.